providing latest education in its state-of-the-art institute and also providing an opportunity to the students to explore their careers across the globe.
ऑरेन का एकमात्र उद्देश्य है युवाओं को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर ब्यूटी एजुकेशन देना।
एडवांस डिप्लोमा इन एस्थेटिक एंड हेयर ड्रेसिंग की विदेशों में फी 12 से 5 या 6 गुना ज़्यादा है, जबकि ऑरेन बेहद कम फीस में ये कोर्सेज करवा रहा है।
In Oren, there is a student-friendly environment. Students have the freedom to think for themselves in training. Oren is the only institution where teachers are available whenever students need. An institution that provides hair, makeup, skin, nail art and mehendi courses so close to the students' home that is actually a blessing. Different cultures,
different challenges.
More than 8,000 students are engaged. Earn while you learn.
Oren produces thousands of beauty professionals who are today doing extremely well in their respective field. So what are you waiting for?
Join Oren Institute of Beauty and Wellness.
NIST, Institute of Beauty and Makeup, Fashion Designing, Hair Dressing and Nail Extensions. Now also in Gandhinagar, Jammu. State-of-the-art infrastructure. Real-time practical and skill-based education and highly qualified trainers. NIST offers various courses in fashion designing, beauty and makeup, specially designed courses for hair cutting and hair designing. And also crash course for nail extensions. NIST encourages women's education, and our creative courses not only develop a woman's mindset and personality, but also help her to attain positive thoughts. NIST offers all courses with affordable fee. Come, learn, and exit with multi-dimensional career opportunities to come out in flying colors. NIST, the right choice for women empowerment. Admissions are open in beauty and makeup, fashion designing, hair dressing and nail extensions. NIST, 40AD first floor near Greenfield School, Gandhinagar, Jammu, and Sidco Chowk, Axis Bank Building, Bari Brahmi.